Hello student, good day to all of you. Today we are going to study economic subject chapter number 4 supply analysis. In this lecture we are following assumptions. First one, constant cost of production. So there is no change in the cost of the production. It remains constant. It is assumed that there is no change in the cost of production. A change in cost of production will affect the profits of the seller. If the cost of production is less, then profits increase, and cost of production is more, then profits decrease. Therefore, less quantity will be supplied at the same price. Next one, second, constant technique of production. There will be no changes in the technique of production. If the techniques of production will be changed, there is a production quantity of produced commodity will also changes. So it is assumed that technique of production does not change. Improved technique of production may lead to improved technique of production may lead to an increase in production. Whenever there is a good technology or new technology will be used in the production activities, then there is an increase in the production. This in turn may lead to an increase in the supply at the same price. So it will not be happen. Technique of production will remain constant. If there is change in the technique of production, supply also changes. Third one, no change in weather conditions. Again, weather conditions. It is assumed that weather conditions remain constant. There is no change in the weather conditions, climatic conditions. So natural calamities like floods, earthquake, etc. may decrease supply. Again, favorable weather conditions increase supply. So there will be no change in the weather conditions or climatic conditions. It will affect the supply of commodities. Next, no change in government policies. If there is a favorable government policies, then there will be increase in the supply. But if there is a unfavorable policies, if there is a tax increase, then there is a decrease in supply. Trade policies, etc. remain unchanged. There will be no change in the government policy. It will affect the supply of commodities. Fifth one, no change in transport cost. Again, if there is a changes in the transport cost, it will affect the supply of commodities. It is assumed that there is no change in the condition of transport facilities and transport cost. For example, better transport facility increases supply at the same price. If there is no good transport facility, then there is a decrease in supply at the same price. Next one, prices of other goods remain constant. So prices of other goods are assumed to remain constant. If they change, the law of supply may not hold true because producer may transfer resources to other products like raw materials, fuel, etc. If there is a changes in the prices of such type of goods, supply also changes. Next, no future expectations. It is assumed that there is no future expectations about the prices. It will also affect the supply of commodities at the present. The law also assumes that the sellers do not expect future changes in the price of the product. If he will assume that if there is an increase in the prices in the future, so he hold the stock for the future. Whenever there is an increase in the prices of the same commodities, and it is assumed that if there is a decrease in the prices in the prices, So today we studied assumptions of the law of supply. In the next lecture we are going to study exceptions to the law of supply. Till then, thank you.